EROIC, the restorative causes of tooth structure cracks. Hello, I am Marwan Aburas. Most cracked teeth do not fail during endodontic treatment. They fail after restoration, the final restoration. But in fact, every millimeter of tooth structure removed reduces stiffness. Every sharp internal line angle concentrates stresses. Every preparation sacrifices dentin and alter the force distribution. Restoration do not passively repair. They are biomechanically interventions. When we place a post, we change how forces travel through the root. The cervical zone of the root becomes a biomechanical battlefield for deflection forces. Tapered posts create wedges forces. Oversized posts, active posts generate lateral forces. Rigid metallic post replaces flexible dentin. Creates stress concentration, microcracks. What makes this risky, that restorative success is often immediate. You finish the restoration, the margins looks great, occlusion is perfect, everything is okay. Radiographs looks fine. But structurally, there is a failure in the making. Years later, a vertical root fractures appear. And if the tooth is endodontically treated, it's a root canal treatment. We blame the root canal treatment. Reductive prosthodontics, traditional, is inherently biomechanically invasive. And the problem is not the restoration. It's the excessive structural loss of the tooth. And the stress concentration, restorations are powerful. They really can protect tooth structure, but they also can be invasive. They could compromise tooth structure. Resistance to fracture, strength, does not come from the crown. It does not come from the post. That's what we used to believe. We used to do a root canal and a post and a core and a crown. That dentin is lost. That creates a propagation if you have a microcrack. If we truly want to preserve teeth, we must restore them with structural respect to the structure. Cracks are not initiated by stress. They are amplified by design. And the idea of reductive prosthodontics, crown preparation, is very invasive and plays a major role in crack formation. Additive prosthodontics is a better way to go. Thank you for listening.